106.7 WIZN. It's Queen and Fat Bottom Girls here at Skid Row. I remember you. Before that, Joe Vega here with you in your Wednesday Rocket Ride Home. And I'm joined now by my friend Ben Berry from Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. Hello, Ben.
Hello, Joe.
How are you doing today, buddy?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. At least it's not snowing, right?
At least it is not snowing. Yes, the sun is shining. It's a wonderful day.
Did it snow over in New York?
Oh, yeah. Snowed
Wow.
quite a bit. Well, I was actually over in Vermont on Saturday morning picking up bees, in fact.
Uh-huh.
And it was quite cold and blustery, and it was not a good day for bees. But nonetheless, the sun is shining now, and it looks like spring may be here to stay.
I certainly hope so. All right, well, let's get to the question. All right, so I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, talking about child support, and an interesting subject came up. If you lose your job due to the coronavirus, you still got to pay child support.
The short answer to that is yes. You likely still have to pay child support, but it may be based on whatever you're receiving in terms of unemployment. You certainly, when you have a change in circumstances that is not due to your own faults, so to speak, you can file for a modification of child support. And I think that this would certainly qualify as a change in circumstance that would then trigger a reevaluation of the amounts that need to be paid by the parent who is obligated to pay.
So you're still going to have to pay, but you might be able to pay a little less?
Yes, what you would be paying would be based on whatever income you are now receiving. But again, there are other considerations that the court can take into account. For example, if you lost your job with business A, but your skills would allow you to be hired by business B, and you're just choosing not to do so, there may be an issue there. But if you simply, your skill set is no longer marketable and your company has fired everybody and you're simply collecting unemployment and you don't have any reasonable availability for new employment that would allow you to obtain the income that you were making prior to the unemployment, then yes, you would have a basis for modification.
Okay, so there we go. Bad news for my friend. Good news for his kid. That's a joke.
Yes.
All right, Ben. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Ben
you,
Berry
Joe.
from Martin, Harding,
All right.
Mazzotti.
Have a great day.
Oh, come on. Everybody's got that friend, right? Remember, you can call Ben at any time at 1-800-LAW-1010 or go online to 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Stay tuned. Mel Allen's taking over. He's got music from Van Halen and Led Zeppelin next.